how to implement dark data discovery and risk reduction. Managing client environments means managing the known and the unknown. Ungoverned data like file shares, shadow IT, and legacy archives can create compliance gaps, security vulnerabilities, and ballooning storage costs. Luckily, with the right framework, you can bring it all under control. Here's how in 7 steps. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Prerequisites to dark data discovery. First, building a resilient dark data discovery workflow requires the following: a central register for classification decisions and exceptions, discovery tools in core platforms such as Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace, a ticketing workflow for approvals and scheduled cleanups, named data owners for major repositories and applications, a policy baseline for acceptable data locations, retention periods, and deletion rules. With these prerequisites met, you can work to identify and manage unclassified data, starting with defining what this data means for each of your clients. How to implement dark data discovery. Step 1. Define what dark data means for each client. Not every organization has the same exposure, so write a clear one-page definition for each client. Outline unstructured sources like file shares, OneDrive folders, SharePoint sites, and backups or PST files, and identify the data types that matter most. Step 2. Build a classification register. Next, build a classification register comprising 3 to 5 tiers. For every item, record who owns it, where it lives, how long it's kept, its retention rules, and its sharing policy. Tools like Microsoft Purview can automate sensitivity labels and retention rules across cloud and on-premises sources. Step 3. Run discovery. Third, you can't govern what you haven't found. Scan cloud platforms, mailbox archives, legacy servers, NAS devices, and backup repositories. Use content searches to surface sensitive data and document any unowned or personal locations for follow-up and policy review. Step 4. Apply lifecycle controls. Classification isn't just a label, it's a trigger. Use it to drive retention policies and automate archival or deletion workflows. Expired content moves to a temporary archive first and then gets removed once no legal hold is in place. Every retention decision should be documented so nothing is deleted accidentally or kept longer than needed. Step 5. Enforce access and sharing policies. Dark data thrives where permissions are too broad, so replace blanket access with least privilege controls, removing global groups from sensitive repositories. For your highest risk locations, apply approval workflows or read-only access. Step 6. Clean up safely and repeatedly. Next, move non-compliant or unidentified content to a quarantine area. Notify data owners with clear deadlines and defined default outcomes. Then maintain a clean audit trail. What was removed, when, by whom, and under which policy. Step 7. Measure and report your progress. Lastly, what gets measured gets managed. Track discovery scan coverage by repository and data type, total dark data volume reduced, ownership assignment rates, and any exceptions that have expired. Deliver monthly summaries to your technical teams for operational visibility and quarterly reports for client executives. In the end, dark data isn't going away on its own, but with a consistent discovery framework, MSPs can turn an invisible liability into a controlled, measurable part of their service delivery. For more information, check out our official blog post on dark data discovery, linked in the description below.